Hello, my little GSRP peeps. I'm here today to read you Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. It's written by Eric Litwin, and the pictures are drawn by James Dean. So let's open this guy up. Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. We have Pete on top of the reindeer. To me, he doesn't look happy, but I think that's just his face. So, let's go. 'Twas the day before Christmas, and Santa was ill. The cold winter wind, he had caught a bad chill. It's Christmas Eve, 7:02 in the morning. Will Christmas be canceled? Will it come to that? Never, cried Santa. Let's call Pete the Cat. Well, Santa asked Pete to deliver the toys to all the good girls and to all the good boys. I'll do it, said Pete. And although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so we give it your all. So Pete left Key West. He jumped into his minibus, and it started to roll. Road trip, said Pete. And first stop, the North Pole. Who lives at the North Pole? The reindeer were waiting to give Pete a tow, so he packed up the presents and he told them to go. Then the minibus flew, just like in a movie. Pete the Cat cried, "This is totally groovy!" I can do it, said Pete, and although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so we give it your all. As the children were sleeping all snug in their beds, Allie, Mason, are you sleeping? Pete and his reindeer appeared overhead. Straight down the chimney Pete flew in a dash, then back in his minibus, quick as a flash. Camille, do you have a chimney? What about you, Ava? Each time he delivered a holiday gift, he crossed off a name written on Santa's list. Matthew, Megan, he crossed your name off the list. He's been there. Santa's list was so big and Pete felt so small, but at Christmas we give, so he gave it his all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. Look at all the names on the list. Brannis, Skylar, so many. Olivia. At the very last minute, they reached the last house. Is it Noah's? Pete dashed in and out just as quiet as a mouse. Then, right at the break of the new Christmas day, Pete and his reindeer were flying away. Dayla, do you see them flying in the sky? Back at the North Pole, old Santa was waiting. The elves and the townfolk, they were all celebrating. Santa was dressed in his red coat and hat and cried, "Hip, hip, hooray for our friend Pete the Cat." Did you see him, Owen? Did you see him flying through the sky? I did it," said Pete, "and although I am small in the spirit of Christmas, I gave it my all." Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so we give it our all. The end. He still has that look on his face. I'm guessing that's his happy look. How's he look to you? Well, I hope you get what you want for Christmas. See you guys next time.